What if I told you that two blockchain projects built by former Facebook engineers are quietly revolutionizing crypto, and most people have never even heard of them? Today we're diving into Sui and Aptos, the so-called Ethereum killers that are rewriting the rules of blockchain technology. Here's the thing, we've all felt the pain of using Ethereum. You try to mint an NFT and bam, $50 gas fee. You want to trade tokens and you're waiting 30 seconds for confirmation while paying through the nose. Solana tried to fix this with blazing speed, but remember those network outages, 7 major crashes in 5 years. Not exactly what you want when you're managing your life savings. So what if there was a better way? What if you could get Solana's speed without the crashes, plus Ethereum's security without the insane fees? Enter the Move programming language, Facebook's secret weapon that was supposed to power their Libra cryptocurrency before it got shut down by regulators. Here's why Move is genius. It treats your digital assets like physical objects. You can't accidentally duplicate a token or lose an NFT because of a coding bug. It's like having a built-in digital vault. When Facebook's project died, 2 teams of engineers took this technology and built their own blockchains, Sui and Aptos. Same DNA, different execution. Aptos is like the Swiss Army knife of blockchains. It uses something called Block-STM. Imagine a restaurant where instead of one chef making orders one by one, you have multiple chefs working simultaneously. If 2 orders don't conflict, they cook at the same time. If they do, the system automatically fixes it. Result, over 160,000 transactions per second in testing, and we're talking fees of about $0.005 per transaction. That's not a typo, 0.005 of a cent. Aptos is going after everyone, DeFi protocols, enterprise clients, gaming companies. It's building the infrastructure for Web3's corporate takeover. Sui took a completely different approach. Instead of accounts, everything is an object. Your NFTs, your tokens, even smart contracts. Think of it like this. Instead of everyone having to wait in one line at the bank, each person can go to their own personal teller simultaneously. No conflicts, no waiting. This makes Sui insane for gaming. We're talking 400,000 TPS in tests, with transactions finishing in half a second. Imagine playing a blockchain game that feels as smooth as Fortnite. But here's the kicker. Sui has zkLogin. You can create a crypto wallet using your Google or Facebook account. No seed phrases, no complicated setup. Your grandma could literally start using DeFi in 30 seconds. But it hasn't been all smooth sailing. In May 2025, Sui faced a major test when hackers stole $220 million from Cetus, their biggest DEX. Here's where it gets interesting. Sui's validators actually voted to freeze the stolen funds and return them to users. Great for the victims, but it sparked a huge debate. Is this really decentralized if validators can freeze anyone's wallet? Meanwhile, Aptos is dealing with its own reality check. User activity dropped 40% in early 2025, suggesting much of their initial growth might have been bots, not real users. Despite the growing pains, both chains are pushing boundaries. Aptos is working on 50 millisecond block times. That's faster than your eye can blink. Sui is preparing for their next billion users with horizontal scaling that just keeps growing. The real question isn't which one will kill Ethereum, it's whether they can build sustainable ecosystems. Ethereum has 4,000 plus dApps and $66 billion locked. Sui and Aptos are impressive technically, but adoption is king in crypto. For now, if you're a gamer or NFT enthusiast, Sui's instant finality and zkLogin make it incredibly user-friendly. If you're building the next DeFi protocol or enterprise solution, Aptos' mature tooling and modular architecture might be your best bet. The Move-based chain wars are just getting started, and honestly, this could be where the next crypto bull run begins. These aren't just Ethereum alternatives, they're building entirely new categories of applications. Which team are you on? Team Sui or Team Aptos? Drop your pick in the comments below, and if this deep dive opened your eyes to the future of blockchain, smash that subscribe button. Next week we're breaking down why Solana might actually be making a comeback despite all those crashes. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until then, keep building the future.